Hi folks, Storm Chaser Eli Roberts. We are in Laporte, PA, here the county seat of Sullivan County, and as you can see there's plenty of snow, and down here as you can see lots of it. About 3 to 4 inches of fresh snow has fallen, and it is wet snow, really good for packing, really horrible for driving. So if you don't have to be out, please do not. The roads have barely been touched. They may have been salted or cindered before the snow, but the roads are pretty horrible. And I came from Eaglesmere, and 42 is not touched at all. It doesn't look good at all. I've seen one plow truck today, and that's it. The roads, pan around here, as you can see. Now granted, we are up here in Laporte, so it's 2,000 feet above sea level, but the roads, they've been plowed, it looks like once in one direction, but they've really not been touched, and they probably won't be until this snowstorm is over. One thing here in Laporte is you can find the old town square stocks. Just that cool little relic from the past up here in Laporte, PA. All right, folks, getting to be about the end of the day here. Sun is starting to go down, and to give you an idea of just how little snow there is, this is Sonestown. There's very little snow still in the grass, but you go up to the top of the mountain up in Laporte, 1,000 feet elevation difference, and there's snow everywhere.